The shells now had 6 coats of lacquer, and the plan now is to sand it flat, any high spots with 1000 grit wet and dry sandpaper. You can see a little high spot there. Sand it all flat, give it one more flash coat of lacquer, and then I'll be leaving it to fully cure until we polish it. So that's the lacquer all flattened off. You can see there the high spots are now gone. So there's the final coat. You can see the interior is finished now, nice and matte like the original shells. So a couple more weeks, let that cure. We'll sand it and polish it.